Kia ora friends, this is a playthrough of Whakataka te hau, Waiata karakia, so it's a Maori song that is also a prayer. This was an ancient prayer, pre-European times, that I was told was used when people were out to sea, and it was to invoke a sense of peace or a calming of the storm. But it is also Maori dim, or Maori language, I've been told and I have witnessed, is very figurative. So in this context it's used to open a meeting or to open a gathering or a time together, and it's about this prayer to cease any storms or any raru or troubles, so that the time together will be of peace and of productivity, and whatever intention there is for that gathering, that it will be achieved. So it's a beautiful waiata to learn. If you are a Kiwi, I would highly suggest and encourage you to learn it, because it's beautiful and it will come in handy if you are in Maori spaces. So it uses the down, 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 down up strum. I'm accenting the first and third strum. Toru, fa. Whakataka te hau, ki te uru